Hello everyone, I am Sachintha Lakshan Abesiri. So today I'm going to present you all about the integrations of the intelligent decision support systems in human resource management. So let's start my presentation. So in this presentation, I gain a problem in regarding the using of the intelligent decision support systems in an organization. So in here, the problem is that when we consider a human resource department or a HR of an organization, there are both structured, semi-structured, and unstructured activities are being done. So according to my research, we found the most of the organizations do their specific activities by using traditional method by using of human beings. So finally, the activities are not performed efficiently and effectively. The main reason for this is the tasks are done according to their own preferences and judgments. So finally, the decisions taken will also be efficient and not be efficient and effective. So this is my overall problem that I'm going to present you all. So as a solution for this problem, so the general solution I came for this problem I presented previously is using of the computer applications or for the activities to be done. So finally, the decision-making process will be effective and efficient. So according to my research that have been done, I took some few techniques like proposed solutions for this using of the intelligent decision support systems in the human resource management. Human resources are the most precise and crucial assets in every firm, and they are managed by human resource professionals. An organization's human resource management systems is critical to its success. So performance evaluations, recruiting, motivations, maintenance are some of the activities that entail a lot of unstructured process. Apart from that, HRM decision making for unstructured processes is typically based on human judgments and preferences, which will not provide the accurate in making the decisions. Human decisions, on the other hand, are limited by the fact that people occasionally forget the important details about the problem. Regardless, the progress of inconsistency is critical in making any form of decisions. Computer applications can be utilized as a decision support tool to deliver fair and consistent outcomes while also improving the effectiveness of the decisions process accurately and perfectly. So I proposed the 5 intelligent decision support systems for the human resources activities done by the management in making of decision. So the six systems that I have took are the data mining in performance evaluations, adaptive neuroviews inference systems based on performance appraisal technique in human resource management, the knowledge-based systems in recruitment and selections, FUSI expert systems in evaluating the suitable job applicants, salary management systems in making salary payments for the employees. And finally, the 6th one is the leave management information system. So shortly, I will present you, I will describe what are these systems. So the first one is the data mining in performance evaluations in related to the human resource activities. So the data mining can be considered as a type related to the data-driven decision support system. So the data mining is the act of searching through big data sets for patterns and relationships that may be used to address the business problems through data analysis. Data mining techniques and tools enable businesses to focus the future trends and make better business decisions. So companies utilize data mining to transform raw data into meaningful information. This allows them to fulfill their company goals more efficiently and effectively. Effective data collections, warehousing, and computer processing are required for data mining. In there, the HR department can provide the employee data for the systems and use the valuable information for making decisions related to the employees' evaluations in efficiently and effectively of a company. So the second one is the adaptive neurophysics inference systems based performance appraisal techniques. So if I explain further, the adaptive neurophysics inference systems is also another technique of performance appreciation of employees. So it is system-based learning approach in using in accessing employees' performance in various enterprises to maximize, minimize the judgments or the decisions taken by the humans in the human resource departments, where they make decisions based on their personal preferences in performance evaluations of employees in a firm. So if I explain further a bit more about this technique, it is made up of several input, output, and hidden layers that are connected by nodes whose weights are modified and tweaked during the learning process. So the data that can be used for the faster and accurate predictions process, where the human resource department is able to evaluate the performance of the employees with less intervention of human beings in making of judgments and preferences by their own. So the third one is the knowledge-based systems in recruitment and selection. So the recruitment and selections are mostly done by the humans according to by the interviewers' own preferences and judgments. So to overcome these knowledge-based systems can be developed, which will support for the human resource department of an organization in decision-making process of recruitment and selection. So the knowledge-based systems automatically classifies the job advertisement response into three groups. The first one is those who will be interviewed, and the second one is those who will be placed on reserve, and the third one is who will not be considered further. So also, it will make faster decisions making, which allows business or an organization or a management team to send out the job offers to the best candidates ahead of the competition. So the fourth one is the FUSI expert systems in evaluating the suitable job applicants. So the FUSI expert systems evaluates the applicants' appropriateness positions based on those inputs, and the information about the evaluated applicants is displayed to the user. So the FUSI models for HR management also can be used in decision making. The proposed models allow for the evaluations of the applicants' appropriateness as well as the determinations of their degree of similarity to an ideal applicant. So finally, to develop criteria for the selection for suitable employees, a data mining framework based on a decision tree and associative rules is used. So the fifth one is the salary management systems in making salary for the payments for the employees. So as I previously presented you all about some other techniques, this technique is also a data-driven support system that has been used into this system. So and also this can be make a variety of database informations on a wage statistics, the service in other areas of the financial sector, like accounting and financial processing, in making management decisions accurately, efficiently, and effectively of the company. So another point is it's provide the informations on and the organizations, the operations, management, and decision making capabilities also. So at last, the system comprises is the set of tasks in related to the salary management, a system management, employee information management, attendance management, payroll administrations are the management tasks that can be done with this technique of salary management systems. So the sixth one is in making the leave management information system. So the leave management information systems is used in making decisions regarding to the employee leaves in an organization. And also this human resource department can manage the employee data when requesting for leaves, monitoring leave balances, and receiving the approval, as well as assuring the compliance with the leave policy. And also these systems provide the human resource department can assist in their decisions making activities with statistical reports, which are both presented in tabular and graphical forms for each department or office, which results of the leave trends of the employees. So when we considering the intelligent decision support systems as a traditional method, with using of the intelligent decision support systems, the organizations will gain a plenty of benefits. So some of the few points that have been taken into this presentation is, the first one is the cost and time in making decisions will be reduced. So it is a great benefit for a company in minimizing of their cost. And also the decisions can be taken efficiently and effectively. Thirdly, the less involvement of human judgments and preferences will be also a benefit of using the intelligent decision support systems. And at last, that the data can be stored for the future decisions making. So those are some of the few benefits that have been took from my research. So at last, I want to present you that the intelligent decision support systems applications and intelligent techniques applied for the human resources activities will facilitate the decisions makers to make the decisions perfectly, similarly, like efficiently and effectively, with less involvement by the human beings. So that is the end of my presentations. So it's the time to ask you all, the audience, whether there is any questions or any doubts regarding what I presented about the intelligent decision support systems in the human resource management. So are there any questions available from you? I think there is no any questions. And thank you all of you in listening to my presentations, and have a nice day.